The first workshop we went to, me and Paige, it was about Africa's Promise, which is an organization trying to get clean water to villages in Africa. And they mostly talk about how they're taking trips there they've already gone 2 times, and they're trying to go back again so they can build certain like wells for villages, because right now it's completely unclean water. They showed us water bottles, and it was like a clean water bottle versus one of water that they have every single day. And it's like completely dirty. It's like lake water you would drink, and it did not look good. This is what you can do to help. They have a website that you can send care packages to, and to give donations so they can get enough money to go back to Africa and to keep helping the villages. And volunteer yourself to help out and get the word, and to spread the word to everyone about this so they can all help out. Okay, the second workshop we went to was an icebreakers workshop where we learned games just like everybody else to meet new people. Mingle, which we're going to play in a second, is where you just kind of walk around, and when someone yells at a number, you all squish together and try to find someone. So if they say like 4, then you have to find a group of 4 really fast. And whenever you're like moving fast and meeting new people, it's more welcoming and stuff. The Lifesavers game, there was pictures on the slideshow earlier with a toothpick and a lifesaver, where you have to go in a line and bring the toothpick to the lifesaver, and you got really up close and personal with people, which was definitely different when you first meet them. We did the name game where it was just like you guys did earlier, trying to memorize everyone's name and throw things in a circle. Then we did Zoom, where you were also in a huge circle, and you had a car, a little toy car, and they would say, okay, I'm going to say my name, like Nicole Dawson, freshman, New Bloomfield, Missouri, and then I'd say Zoom, and I'd pass it to the next person, and they'd be like, Taylor Howard, freshman, New Bloomfield, Missouri, and it'd go around in a huge circle, and every single time they'd have to repeat everyone's name, and it would get really complicated because there'd be like 20 people in the circle, and if you're the last one, you have to memorize every single person's name and where they're from. We did Captain's Coming, like Zoe and Taylor talked about, where just a game to get out there, and Dork of the Decade, like they also talked about. Mingle, and you're just going to kind of talk around to people, say your name, and then I'm going to yell at a number, and you have to find a group really fast. Here, let's show an example. Can someone do this? Okay, so I'm going to do like mingle, you're walking around, and I'll say 3. You have to like find a group of 3 really fast. Or I'll say 5, you got to find a group of 5 really fast. And if you're left out, then you're out of the game. Okay, so mingle.